Hey there! Today, I'm cooking my favorite Filipino dish, shrimp sinigang. Let's get started! For the ingredients, you need sibuyas, some kamatis, gabi, okra, labanos, and of course, shrimp. Get ready to cook this flavorful and comforting dish. First, remove the skin of your onion and cut it in half. Next, take the gabi, peel it completely, and cut it into small pieces as shown in the video. Adding gabi is optional, but it makes the soup thicker and gives it a better texture. You can achieve a better taste if you add gabi. Now, take your radish, remove the skin, and cut it into small pieces as demonstrated in the video. After thoroughly washing the okra, cut it in half as shown here. Make sure to choose young and fresh okra for the best results. Finally, cut the tomatoes into 4 pieces. Make sure you use nice and red tomatoes. After washing the shrimp, you need to clean it properly. I use a fork to remove the vein from the back of the shrimp. Make sure you clean it thoroughly. Shrimp is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. It's a great source of protein, low in calories, and rich in vitamins and minerals like selenium, vitamin B12, and iodine. Eating shrimp can support heart health, boost brain function, and promote healthy skin. After adding enough water into your pot, set it to high flame. Add the onion, tomatoes, peppercorns, if you like, and radish. Let it boil for 10 minutes. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. After boiling for 10 minutes, it's time to add the tamarind for sinigang. This ingredient gives your sinigang its authentic taste. I use the original tamarind for this recipe. Let it boil for 3 minutes, then lower the flame and add the remaining ingredients. Start with the gabi, as it needs more time to cook and release its flavors. Next, add the okra. This step ensures that all the ingredients are cooked to perfection and the flavors meld together beautifully. Let it cook for 5 minutes. Make sure to taste the soup and adjust the seasoning if needed. I also like to add some green chili at this point, but this is optional if you prefer a milder flavor. Now it's time to add the shrimp. Stir everything gently and let it cook until the shrimp turns pink and is fully cooked, about 3 to 4 minutes. The green chili adds a nice touch of heat, which complements the tanginess of the tamarind beautifully. The last thing to add is the kangkong. And there you have it, a healthy and tasty shrimp sinigang. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more recipes.